Are you going to be a benefit or are you going to be a burden? Because either side, all right, that you're going to be in would definitely impact your application for residency, and that's what JIP Migrate would help you with. We definitely would comply to the law and find the best solutions that are not immediately visible to common people, right?
Yeah.
That is what JIP Migrate is our experts with. We find the right legal solutions that are not usually visible for common people. So you can trust JIP Migrate would be always updated with all of these laws and comply and find the best solutions suited for your situation. All right. So but anyway, also going back to that, if AFD would rule, would be elected next year, Germany would also influence, because Germany is a very big influence in the European Union.
Yes.
Very big. Yeah, like Germany and France are the biggest ones. So if Germany would go for right wing, it would definitely have a big influence on the overall European Union policies for migration, because they're gonna be having votes, and Germany would be kind of leaders. They've always been leaders in the European Union, right? So their policies, if if the AFD would be ruling, then their policies would apply even to the whole 31 countries of Europe. So yeah, that's kind of the where the future is leading to. And yeah, what are your thoughts on this? Would you want the AFD to to be elected next year? For your opinion?
I have no opinion on this yet.
You know what? Me too. I don't know, right? We're just here to help people migrate, and whatever it is, there's always a way. There's always a way. Even if a conservative party would be sitting in the government, there would always be a way, and JIP Migrate would be there to help, right?
Yeah,
Be
we're
there.
just here to give you the updates so
The
that
updates.
you will know what to do on your migration.
Yes, exactly, because you have to know what you're expecting for, because when like in this video, actually there were interviews, right? And some of them don't feel welcomed anymore.
But some of them, they do.
They do.